Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 3-valve Wednesday. We made a couple dyno pulls in this 08 GT today with 39,000 miles. Just had to show you. I have Doug with me. We were going to go take a closer look, but it's E4 Supercharged. It's our 520E package. This car came with hot rod cams. Besides that, the car was stock. It's running 93 octane fuel. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Doug, let's go take a closer look. All right, everybody, here's what we have going. So 08 GT, like I said, 93 octane fuel, automatic transmission. The numbers came out really good. Doug, let's take a look what's included in our 520E package. Now, this is the lowest horsepower Edelbrock Supercharger package we have. TVS 2300, fully intercooled. It's only like 5 or 6 pounds of boost. You get the competition cold air intake. You get 41-pound fuel injectors, Kennedy belt boost pump, Kohler spark plugs, proper calibration, and of course, you don't have one already, OCT tuner. And like I said, this car already had hot rod cams in it, which worked fine on this kit. So we just basically installed the Edelbrock Supercharger. Hey, what's it cost to get this installed? You can email quote@brenspeed.com. And I will put a link in the description of all these parts we're talking about here. We do have higher horsepower kits available, but this particular client said, hey, I want to come in at the lowest boost, most reliable kit out there, and that's our 520E. It's a Brenspeed turnkey package. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're going to check out the numbers. Remember, automatic, Dynojet, SAE rating, 450 real horsepower on our 520E kit. Torque comes in at 411. And hey, you know what? We can go more torque than that. I will put a link at the end of this video of another video I made. A lot of you watched it. Is how much is too much power, how much is too much torque for a stock 3-valve Mustang. We're good right here, in my opinion, based off lots of years experience. But Doug, I want to take one more look at this car. So it's 08. 39,000 miles, crazy clean. I would drive this silver, black top, black interior. Let's take one more look at the engine compartment. So like I said, it already had the hot rod camshafts in it. We do a lot of these with Detroit rocker cams. I'll put a link to those in the description as well. But you get the E4 Supercharger kit, which is totally upgradable. So like I said, we came in at like 5-6 pounds of boost on this car. Competition cold air intake, larger injectors, fuel pump upgrade, Kohler spark plugs. But you have more room to grow. So you can actually use this supercharger with more boost on the stock engine. I'll put a link to that also. And then you can also, like if you get a built engine down the road, it's capable of going down to about a 275 pulley, quite a bit more boost in that 14-pound range if you're not running an overdrive crank. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching. This is a short video today. But hey, it's 3-valve Wednesday. Just want to show you a sweet low-mile convertible. And email quote@brenspeed.com. Say what's it cost to get this built. Check that description. Subscribe, notify. Thanks for watching.